me know. Okay. So, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in whichever part of the world you are. Um, it says live in 1 minute or something. So, I think so. We are live now. Let me know if you can see me, please, because I'm getting a bit confused. But anyhow, we will start. We have lots to cover today. Today's aim is to give Reiki healing to all the people for yourself and your loved ones. We will be doing charging of water. So if you haven't got the water with you ready, please get your water ready. Uh, we would be doing that for sure, first thing. And then, yes, you are visible. Thank you. Thank you, Misty. And once we charge water, we will be sending Reiki to ourselves and to all our loved ones. Purvi Shukla, hello. Hello, Ji. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. As I said, if you haven't got the water ready, because we will be charging the water with lots of Reiki healing. And hi, Kanika. And then once we charge the water, uh, so there are few things I'm going to explain before we start. If you are new to my channel or if you are tuning in for the first time, let me just introduce myself. I am Tejal, as you know my channel name as well. I'm Tejal Parekh. I am a Reiki healer and master since 2002. So I've been doing Reiki quite a while, and I have done Karuna Reiki, I have done magnified healing, I have done crystal healing. So I have done few healing modalities. And looking at the time what we are going through now in the whole world, I thought there is a definite need to come and give Reiki healing. This Reiki healing can be taken every day for 21 days, or if you want the maximum benefit, um, it is advisable to take it for 40 days. All you got to do is, once you start this video, go to the part where we start charging the water, and then every single day you can take the healing. It is definitely advisable to take healing once a day, but if you think that somebody needs it more, you can play this video twice a day as well, and that would definitely help. So this distance healing, Reiki healing, is going to be helpful not just for today, but even after. For example, if you have to leave the chat, or if you had to leave this live for whatever reason, this is still going to be beneficial to you even after you tune in anytime. If you do not want to play the water part, you can skip it. You can just go to the healing part, and I will make sure this time I'm going to put down the timings, so where we charge the water and when we start the healing. So my aim for today is, hi Dwayne, thank you for joining. Thank you. Hi Kanika, thank you so much for joining. My aim for today is to complete the session in 1 hour, because I understand some people think that my session might go a little bit longer. I might be doing longer session next week, but my aim for this week, fingers crossed everything goes well, I will be coming live every single day, same time, for 1 hour. So if you are really really keen to change things in your life, to change your health conditions, to improve everything in your life, I feel this is the best time and opportunity to come in, join me live. And yes, a few things about Reiki. If you are not sure how does it work, a simpler way to explain Reiki is, there are so many radio stations in the world, and it is up to us to tune into those radio station, right? So somebody might know only 2 or 3 radio station, but once you are in tune with the right radio station, you would be able to hear either a news or songs or healing music. Same way we are in tuning Reiki to us. Okay, so as a Reiki teacher, a healer, all I'm doing is asking the universal energy to come and flow through me to you, to the receiver. So the more openly you receive this healing energy, the more beautiful it is going to work. So it is all up to you how much you can take it in this much time. Please understand, this is your valuable time too. If you are coming here even to support me, you are spending your valuable 1 hour of your time, and I really want you to have that benefit of that 1 hour from your side as well. So if you haven't experienced Reiki, I would love to know, once the session finished, how do you find it. And this Reiki can be taken for your own self or your loved one as well. So how will this work? If they are not with you, all you have to do is visualize them with you. Like for example, if I want to visualize me, my husband, my son, everybody is taking this Reiki blessing, all I would do is I would visualize them, all of them sitting next to me or in front of me, and now I would feel in my mind that they are all receiving this beautiful healing energy. Because everything in the world is about belief. Whatever you believe in, it manifests. Like I always say that whatever you focus on, it expands, it grows. So whatever you are focusing on, if you think that they are with you, you would feel it. Like when we say I'm sending you a virtual hug or virtual kiss, what does it mean? You are still in the same vibration of that person. So same way, when you are receiving the healing for yourself or your loved ones, this is what how it is going to be. You can do also one thing. When you are charging the water, you can have this one glass, or you can have like a big bottle. Make sure it's a glass one only, not a plastic one. Plastic is avoidable at any cost if possible, but if you can't, it's fine. When we are charging the water, you can put that energy healing for your loved ones, and then when you see them, you can give this water to them, let them drink the water. If you can't do it that way, you can definitely share the video. I would suggest all of you, please, if you can recommend, maybe just do like just share it with one person, do your part. If you can just share it with many people, because my intention is the video to reach to many people. So if you can just share it on your social medias, on your Instagram. If you're not following me, you can follow me on Instagram. I have started recently being active on Instagram as well. But that is the only way, when you are spreading the energy, it always manifests. When I give Reiki healing to anybody, I have always experienced that even my small wishes, my small desires, they always fulfill. They always come into, reality. I don't know why. It's just so beautiful that it's like when you are doing good for others, it comes back to you in manifold. So same way it works. I can see Jitu Bhai is live. Hi Swati, good to see you. Thank you. It's been long. Uh, I came live. It's been a while, but that is my aim. So as I can see, it's already like what 8 minutes it's showing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the timestamp when we charge the water and when we start the Reiki healing, so that whenever you come back, all you can do is just fast forward everything and start from the Reiki healing. The best thing to do is take this Reiki session every single day while I'm live. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm coming live every single day, same time. But if you can't, for whatever reason, or if you can't tune in tomorrow live same time, all you can do is just play the video, start taking healing. And the best part is take it for 21 days. You can take it twice a day, 3 times a day, absolutely fine. If you have any questions, you can pop in the live chat. While I'm giving Reiki, I might not be able to reply, but then later on I will definitely come back to it. If you have any suggestion, I had suggestion about come live in Hindi language. So if that is something you would prefer, please let me know. And as I said, thank you all for tuning in live. We will be starting charging of our water. So if you haven't got the water ready with you, please keep it ready with yourself, because we are going to start the charging of water in like few minutes time. So once you are ready, if you can just type in I am ready, that would be great, and then we can start. Thank you. As I said, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask me in the comments. Let me see, have I missed anyone? Okay. So we will be starting charging of water now. I mean, if you have your family with you, it is best to take the healing energy together. This Reiki healing is going to work on your physical health, your mental health, your emotional health, and even your spiritual health. So this Reiki healing is going to work on your overall health, of whatever your heart desires. I mean, whatever thing you are going through. We would be doing affirmation as well. So once we charge the water, we will be doing the affirmation for the water as well. And I will discuss a little bit about affirmation too while we are charging the water. So we will be starting the water now. So I'm not seeing any comments from you people, which I understand, but I'm just starting. So when you have the water with you, make sure you hold it with lots of love, uh, as if you really mean it. This water is the world. I have made several videos about how water is very effective in changing your mindset, your emotions, your health, your kids' health. If you haven't seen, feel free to check on my channel after the live is finished. Ready with the water. Thank you, Swati. Okay, we are starting now. So this water remembers everything. Whatever I'm saying, the water is remembering, is listening, is remembering, and the same water will go inside my body. So the same energy I am going to receive when I'm going to drink the water. So my today's intention is, my highest intention is to be healthy, fit, happy, to be emotionally fit. This is my intention. This is my requirement. I understand everybody of you who is watching, you might have different requirements. So all you got to do is think about what you want, not think about what you don't want. So if you have some problem in the body, what would happen if that problem is not there? So you have to think about that. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm perfectly healthy, I'm perfectly fit. If you have any issues with your studies, I am so happy and grateful now that I am excellent with my studies. If you have any health thing, ready with water, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. So all you got to do is visualize what you want. Okay, visualize what you want and start with, I am so happy and grateful now that, and complete the sentence. Few sentence could be, I am so happy and grateful now that my health is perfectly fine. I am so happy and grateful now that I am absolutely energized. I am so happy and grateful that my husband, my sister, whoever it is completely healthy, fit. If somebody is in hospital, you just visualize that, I'm so happy and grateful now that my mom or my partner or my father, whoever it is, has come back in the home, and he or she is in beautiful healthy condition. I think you got the point what I'm trying to say. So we are not concentrating on what the problem is, we are concentrating on the solution. I love those affirmations. Thanks for helping me frame myself of affirmation. I'm so glad, Swati, that I could help you in that regard. If you would like a personal Reiki session, you can definitely message me, because I provide a personal, one-to-one healing session as well, distance healing session. So if you would like that, I can definitely help you frame your affirmation as well. Let's start with whatever your affirmation is. What is your intention? What is your affirmation? Start with that. Look into the water. I love your haircut, so thank you so much. Thank you, Misty. Okay, let's start with charging of our water. Please remember, the water is listening. So let's close our eyes. And I love this mantra. So we will be starting with this mantra, which says, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Make sure whenever you are saying, you feel it, you feel the emotion. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Now start with your affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfectly healthy condition. I am so happy and grateful now that my body is healed. You can choose your affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I am physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, financially happy, fit, prosperous. I am so happy and grateful now that I am receiving this Reiki healing energy absolutely beautifully. Give this water lots and lots of loving energy. Even with the closed eyes, you can look into your water and give it lots of love as if you love somebody so dearly. And the same is in the water. Give this water lots of love, beautiful energy. And the most important part is your belief. When you are charging the water, believe it. Believe that whatever your affirmation is going to fulfill. Believe that whatever I'm asking this water is going to do it. And with a big happy smile, you can repeat the affirmation as many times as you like. You might feel your hands getting heavier, which I am feeling myself. I am so happy and grateful now that this is my affirmation from my side to you all. I am so happy and grateful now that all the people who are receiving this Reiki healing have been healed. Everything is perfectly fine. Everything is perfectly all right in their world. So be it, so be it, so it is. Thank you. And you can start drinking the water and make sure when you are drinking the water, you are feeling the energy. You are feeling that every time the water goes inside your body, it is giving you that energy. It is giving you that beautiful, beautiful vibration of perfect health. And I have noticed when I sit quietly, when I charge the water tastes different. I'm not sure about you guys. If you have felt it, let me know. But every time I charge the water and I drink it, the water totally tastes so different. It tastes very sweet. It tastes of all the energy. Let me know how do you find this. In a few minutes, we will be starting our Reiki live. If you have any kind of health condition or if you have anything, if you want to mention anybody's name while I'm sending the Reiki, you can let me know now. So while I'm sending the Reiki for the whole world to you and your loved ones, I can definitely include those names as well. They might not be here. You don't have to give the full name. You can just give a initial or anything if you wish. But if you are ready, let me know, and then we will start the Reiki. And make sure while you are receiving Reiki, you are not to be disturbed. Try and find a space where you can sit quietly, or you are feel free to lie down, close your eyes. If you would like, you can play some soft music in the background, or if you do not want to do anything, just stay where you are. I'm not receiving anything from you guys. I hope you are here, because before I used to see how many people are live and things. I'm not able to see it now. I understand if you are busy and you won't be able to type, that is completely fine. We will be starting the Reiki session soon. I haven't received anybody's name or as such that you would like to receive Reiki for. Let me see. Yeah, but as I said, yes, I'm here. Thank you, Misty. uh, if you can, please share this video with as many people as you can. If you haven't yet, do subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification of all my upcoming live and videos. You can follow me on Instagram. It's the same ID like Tejal Parekh TV. So it is easy for you to start. Here, waiting it to start. Maria. Okay. I will be definitely sending healing to Maria as well. Uh, I have few people I'm sending Reiki healing, distance Reiki healing recently. If you guys know, the condition in India has gone really scary, kind of, you know. So I'm sending healing for that too. Maria, I am also here. Thank you, Jitu Bhai. Sweta Sarkar. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. So we will be starting Reiki. If it is your first time experience, you can sit like this, keep your hand on your palm. You can keep your hand like this. Or you can just lie down and relax your body, just like when you are if you are doing the meditation. Also, Reiki has nothing to do with any caste or any religion. So Reiki is universal. It is for everybody. So anyone can take the Reiki. It doesn't have to be for particular, religion or anything. Let me just be clear. And Reiki always works for the highest good of a person. It will not do any harm to anyone. Even if you are taking Reiki for somebody else, it is not going to do any harm. It is definitely going to help improve in their condition. If you want to say something, as I said, you can play some music. You can just lie down and relax, or the affirmation which we did while charging the Reiki water, you can repeat the same affirmation in your mind. And also, there is one thing: once you take Reiki regularly, try and avoid talking about your health. Try and avoid talking about what is not working well, because we are so used to, when somebody asks us, we always talks about, we will always talk about, this is not working well, my health is not well, I have a knee pain. Try and talk about what is working right in your life. Okay, I mean, I would say strictly do not talk, but I know, being a human being, it is not always possible. But if you are saying that my knee is not working, think about 5 things which is working for your life. So you always have to empower you always have to come up with something which is working absolutely fine in your life, rather than what is not working fine. So if I have a health problem, if I have a headache, then I would be thinking about, oh, but I'm breathing beautifully, because at the moment so many people are worried about even having the enough oxygen in their life. Okay, I'm breathing, I have water to drink, I have, what are the 5 things I am grateful for, what are the things I can do it. So the goal is, the more you focus about what you want and not your problem, the more you will get it sooner. Because it is how the universal law, it is how the law of attraction works, that focus on the things which you would want, then you don't want. If you would like, you can write the same affirmation which we said today. You can write it down and put it underneath the glass of water. I can see Swati has mentioned her family, friends, relatives, and okay, perfectly fine. So I'm going to give Reiki to the whole world. I would be guiding some of the things. One of the things is protective shield. So while I start Reiki, we will be doing a prayer. I will say the prayer out loudly. You are feel free to say it or not, up to you. You can say your own prayers, and if you do not want to say any prayers, thank you would be excellent. Okay, if you don't want to say any kind of prayers, just say thank you. After that, we would be doing protective shield for ourselves. This protective shield is so amazing that you can just do it anytime, when, especially at the time of this pandemic, when you are out, you can protect yourself while you are going out or you are doing anything. So it's like your own protection for yourself. Then we would be balancing the chakras, and after that, the Reiki would be given to the whole body. Any area, any part of your body is in need of Reiki, you can keep your hand over there. If, for example, if you have a problem with the stomach or your thighs or your knees, you can keep your hand on that part of the body and you will feel the Reiki energy flowing. If you cannot, as I said, you can do anything you feel like. Even if you like soft music or songs, you can play. Whatever can keep you in the highest vibration, just do that. Okay, so we will be starting now. As I said, you can lie down. If you want, you can drink some water. Make sure when you are drinking, you are thankful to the water as well. Okay. Thank you all so much. Thanks to all of you who has joined me now. And thank you all who would watch this video later on. Badu English ma bole che, please Hindi ma bolo. The problem is Shriji 20. Thank you so much. I will come live soon in Hindi. So the session would be in Hindi language. For today, it is in English. But just to honor your request, I'm just saying in Hindi. आप रेकी लेना शुरू कर रहे हैं हम, तो उसके लिए आप अपना जो पानी चार्ज किया था हमने, वो पानी चार्ज आप ले सकते हो। और उसके बाद में हम रेकी शुरू करेंगे, उसके पहले हम प्रोडक्टिव शील्ड शुरू करेंगे, उसके बाद में हम हमारे चक्र से उनको बैलेंस करना शुरू करेंगे और उसके बाद में रेकी दी जाएगी फुल बॉडी के लिए। अगर आपको कोई भी जगह पे, कोई भी बॉडी पार्ट में प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप उस जगह पे अपना हाथ रख सकते हो, जैसे कि शोल्डर का पेन है, टमी है, थाइज़ है, आप वहाँ पे रेकी के लिए, एनर्जी हीलिंग के लिए वो दे सकते हो। मिनिमम 21 डेज़ आप ये सेम रेकी हीलिंग लाइव ले सकते हैं और अगर आप चाहें तो 2 बार भी दिन में ले सकते हैं एंड द बेस्ट रिजल्ट अगर आपको चाहिए तो 40 डेज़ तक आप डेफिनिटली ये रेकी हीलिंग ले सकते हैं। मैं डेफिनिटली एक बार वापस हिंदी में ही पूरा लाइव करने वाली हूँ ताकि जो भी नॉन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश ऑडियंस है मेरी, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। बट थैंक यू फॉर योर रिक्वेस्ट। अ, जितना भी मैं बोलूँगी आई एम श्योर आपको वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। So there is Dhan Lakshmi Iyer. Hi there. I was just scrolling through all the live videos and saw yours as a suggestion. I love this video. Thank you so much. I'm going to do a Reiki course starting now. Thank you so much. That's absolutely brilliant. I really wish you all the best for your Reiki course and thank you for joining me live. Lakhayat Ali. Hi, ma'am. Hello. We are starting Reiki now. I do not want to take everybody's time. And please, as I said, do it with the highest intention, positive intention. Concentrate on what you would like to get instead of what you have problem with. Okay, so our concentration would be about what is it I would like to take. So we are starting the Reiki now. You can play some soft music, you can lie down. Thank you all for joining in. I will be starting Reiki now. So if you have any queries, any questions about personal Reiki healing or anything, you can pop it in the live chat and we will be, I'm really sorry for those who are waiting. My Instagram account name is Tejal Parekh TV, same as my channel name. Thank you. So we will be starting Reiki now. I thank you all so much for joining me in this Reiki session. Okay, we will be starting. Thank you all so much. I truly appreciate. As I said, you can close your eyes, you can keep your eyes open, you can relax your body, you can do basically anything you feel like. And if you believe, the Reiki is going to flow to you. So thank you all so much. We will be starting Reiki with prayer. हम पहले prayer से शुरू करेंगे. You can repeat the same prayer as what I'm saying, or you can say your own prayer, which is absolutely fine. I, Tejal. So mention your name. I always mention my name. I, Tejal. Would like to thank Reiki, Dr. Usui, who is the founder of Reiki, my all the teachers, which is Rasila Ben, Mayuri Ben, Varsha Ben, Kosha Ben, and all the teachers in the whole universe, all the Reiki teachers, masters, healers, angels, archangels. I thank all of them. I thank all the gods, goddess, all the healers in the world. I thank all the people who are going to receive Reiki from this live session. This is completely option. You can continue or you can say your own prayers. I thank my parents. I thank my family. I thank the Reiki blessing for coming into my life in 2002. I thank each and every experiences of my life, may it be good or bad, which has made me what I am. Thank you so much. I please invite Reiki healing to please come here and bless all the people who are receiving Reiki now, who will receive Reiki every single day, who will receive Reiki in the future, even after few years. I request Reiki healing blessing to come and bless all of us. I thank you and your loved ones for believing in Reiki and for receiving Reiki. Thank you all so much. You can close your eyes and I will be guiding you. Please remember your intention. Please think about the affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfectly healthy condition. You can choose your affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfectly happy, healthy condition of my life. I am so happy and grateful now that I am physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, in all the levels, perfectly balanced. I am so happy and grateful now that I am receiving Reiki healing. We will be starting the protective shield. It's a beautiful way to protect yourself from outside environment. This protective shield you can do it any time of the day, as many time as you like. This will give you a beautiful protection from the outside environment, from the world. All you got to do is visualize that there is a beautiful white light coming from the universe, from the sky. The beautiful light, white light is coming from the universe and it's surrounding you from your left, from your left to right. This beautiful white light is covering you from left to right, anti clockwise, 7 times. You can visualize that this beautiful white light is flowing through your left to your right in a full circle, is protecting you like a bubble, and it's giving you beautiful energy and beautiful protection. And all you got to say is, there is a beautiful white light. Of course, you can change the color. If you can choose purple, you can choose gold, you can choose any color you like. I, Tejal, there is a beautiful white light around me which is protecting me. There is a beautiful white light around me which is protecting me. There is a beautiful white light around me which is protecting me. If you are in tune with your healing energy, you will feel that you are protected in a beautiful bubble. And this light is going to protect you everywhere you go. You can say this protective shield when you go to a mall or when you are going outside. This protective light is going to protect you from everywhere. You can teach this to your children as well, which would be excellent. Thank you. If you would like, you can drink some water, you can sip the water. And now we will be starting Reiki chakra protection. We are going to balance your all the chakras in your body. We will be starting from your crown chakra, which is on top of your head. So if you would want, you can keep your hand on top of your head on your crown chakra, and Reiki is going to flow on your crown chakra. Remember your affirmation, remember your intention. So the Reiki is starting to flow on your crown chakra. Feel the vibration, feel the energy coming to you. Now the Reiki is flowing from your crown chakra to your third eye chakra. This is the part where your third eye chakra is. Make sure you remember your affirmation and keep repeating it if you feel like. You can keep your hand like this, or you just be mindful that the Reiki is flowing on my third eye chakra. Feel the energy flowing through your third eye chakra. We're coming on our third chakra, which is our throat chakra. This is the chakra which is your expression chakras. Whatever you feel it, whatever you like, you don't like, you dislike, we say it out of our throat chakra, which is very important chakra because we can make the relationship beautiful or make it worse just by our words. So the third one is our throat chakra. Feel the vibration, feel the energy. While we are giving Reiki on each chakra, the chakra is healing it, it's balancing things in the body, and it's removing whatever doesn't serve in our body. The fourth chakra is our heart chakra. The heart chakra is the center of our seven chakras. And this chakra stores everything, all kinds of garbage, all kinds of good things, bad things, everything. It's time to clean this heart chakra. It's time to clear out what doesn't serve us. It's time to clear out what somebody has told you 10,000 years before and you have still kept it in your heart. It's time to be grateful to your heart. It's time to be grateful for your heart to be beating for you non-stop since you were born. It doesn't even ask you. It just keeps on doing your work. It's time to be eternally grateful for your heart to be with you. This is the heart which makes you alive. Time to say thank you and receive the beautiful healing energy. And it's time to say Ho'oponopono mantra as well. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now moving on to our Hara Chakra. Please remember your affirmation. Please remember your intention. Coming back to our solar chakra. And now coming to our last chakra, root chakra. Root is the base of our life. Root is very important chakra. For any building, for any empire, the base has to be very strong. Even for our life, the root chakra plays a very important part in human being life. The reason to do the chakra healing first is anything is wrong in our physical, mental, emotional health. There is imbalance in our chakras. Our chakras govern our body. So when the chakras are in balance, in harmony, in peace, so the body is in harmony, in peace. So it's very important while giving Reiki to give the Reiki to all the chakras first. I could feel the energy and I could feel that everybody's receiving the Reiki so beautifully. So I thank you all so much. And I have mentioned everybody's name. If you have given your family's name, I have mentioned them in the Reiki healing energy as well. Thank you so much. So we done the protective shield. We have done the chakras. Now we will be doing Reiki for the entire body. So, whatever problem, whatever reason you are receiving the energy today, and for example, if you don't have any problem, well done. I totally appreciate you. You can just give Reiki for your well being, overall health, or just you can even think about your business because Reiki has its own mind. Reiki has its own way of doing things. So even if you are concentrating, for example, on your knees, but the root cause could be your ankle or something, Reiki would flow to your ankle. Reiki has its own intuition. So the best part is, even if you are not concentrating on the right area, Reiki is still going to flow. And as I said, you can take this Reiki healing every single day for 7 days, 21 days, and for maximum result, you can take this Reiki healing for 40 days. You can take it once a day, twice a day. You can just play this video in the background and do your own work, and Reiki will do its own magic as well. The main part is your belief. So, we will be doing Reiki for our overall health. Please kindly receive. Thank you. At the moment, I'm concentrating on the upper area of our body until our shoulder. So, from your crown until your shoulder, any problems, anything is where I'm concentrating more on your eyes, your forehead, your hair, your cheeks, your ears, your neck, your shoulder. You can relax your shoulders while receiving the Reiki. Our ears has all the healing points, all the acupressure points. So when you keep your hand on top of your ears, you will feel the Reiki energy flowing in. This is the best way to experience. If you have learned the Reiki and you think that Reiki is not flowing, all you got to do is keep your hand on top of your ears and you will feel the energy start flowing. It starts like it goes really warm. It goes beautiful. So you can definitely do that. So while I'm concentrating on the top of your areas, you can keep saying the affirmation or relax yourself. This healing would work for your eyesight. If you would like to improve your eyesight, you can make a affirmation that I am so happy and grateful now that I can see beautifully, I can read properly. If you want to get rid of your glasses, do not mention that I have gotten rid of my glasses. Instead, think about what would happen if I don't have glasses. So, whatever we don't want, we will not mention at all. We will just mention whatever we desire. Now I'm concentrating from our shoulder till our stomach area. So any problem, anything which is bothering you from your shoulder, your heart, your lungs, your stomach, everything. If you have any acidity problems, any kind of problems, this Reiki is going to work at the moment on those areas of your body. But as I said, we will only mention that it is working perfectly fine. You might feel a warm hand, you might feel hot energy, you might feel cold energy, you might not feel anything. When you receive Reiki, this is a question I mostly get asked, that what do we really feel? You can feel anything or you might not feel anything at all. It sometimes it takes few days to start feeling the energy. You might feel the trembling sound in your tummy, which is kind of a sign of receiving Reiki, which is beautiful. We'll be concentrating from our stomach area until our knees. So anything to do with that, even while we are doing stomach area, it has to do with your pregnancy related issues or anything, or if you are pregnant, it is beautiful. I loved receiving Reiki while I was pregnant. I gave my son Reiki throughout while I was pregnant. It's a very beautiful energy to pass on to the next generation as well. Any particular problems regarding urine or anything, or your thighs, this is going to concentrate on those areas of your body. Thank you. We'll be concentrating from our knees until our ankle. It is believed that knees, like all the tensions and all the worries, everything we store in our knees. In fact, all our body parts store different kind of emotions. Like all the responsibilities are in our shoulder. So if you feel that your shoulders are getting heavier, you might be feeling too much responsible of things going around in your life. Same way in your knees, we store the fear of death, the fear of what would happen if I am no more in this world. All the body parts store different kind of emotions. So even if you think like that whatever I'm saying is not going anywhere, it is storing in your own body. So it's time to release all those fears, all those worries. You can visualize yourself walking nicely, freely. If you have any issues with your legs or varicose veins, you can visualize that it is helping you with your movement. Everything is completely fine. And now, as we have done the front full body, we would be doing aura cleaning. Our aura is our 7 body layers, and this 7 body layers, I'm just checking if it is going okay, right? Okay, our aura is our 7 body layers, and this 7 body layers makes what we are. The more positive, the more vibrant, the more happy, healthy we are, the more positive the aura we give to the outer world. So this moment we are clearing our auras. All you got to visualize is you are clearing from your right hand. Just visualize. On your left hand side, you are just swooping it out like this action. You can open your eyes to just check like this. And you do not have to touch your body. You are just cleaning your aura 7 times. And once you clear the aura, whatever the negative we might have, we do not want to give the world our negative energy. So what we are going to do is whatever negative is there in my world, in my life, turn into positive and return to universe. So we are sending the positive energy in the universe. Because remember, all the people who are receiving energy, they are leaving their bad energy, the negative energy. I'm not saying you are a negative person. What I'm saying is whatever we have, even we are product of what we think, what we see, what we eat. So whatever you have done in these days, watching the news, getting all the information, whatever the negative is stored, it's time to clean it. So that's why we are doing aura cleaning. Whatever is negative into my body, turn into positive and return to universe. If a small child is not sleeping properly, you can definitely do this in the night time for them, and it always work wonders. I have tried plenty of time for my son, and it has always worked. And thank you all for receiving this beautiful energy. Now we will be concentrating on the back of our body. Mostly when we are giving Reiki, we are concentrating on both the sides, but still, just to make sure we are not missing out anything. So, from our back of the head until our spine, so it covers your kidneys and everything, we are concentrating on that. So your brain, if you are a student or if you are somebody who likes to study, and you would like your memories to be nice, this is definitely going to help. And remember your neck and your spine. Our spine is absolutely important. Our spine is something, uh, nowadays we can get everything else in the world, but if there is a problem with the spine, it is very difficult. So let's concentrate that our spine is absolutely working in perfect condition. It's straight, it is doing its job, because the whole body is interlinked, connected with our spine. And our kidneys, they are very beautiful and they are very important part of our body. If you would like, you can literally go inside your body, visualize each and every part. You can give them a virtual, or like a loving hug. Because imagine, since you are born, your body is working non-stop for you, no matter what. You might feel lazy, but your body is doing its own routine thing, breathing and everything completely fine. So this is the time to even say thank you to your body. So while receiving Reiki, this is the best time to be in tune with your own self. From head to your hairs, if you would like the beautiful long hair, short hair, curly hair, any kind of hair or no hair, whatever it is your requirement, you can just visualize. If you are concentrating on growing your hair, for example, every time you see your hair or every time you feel that, oh, my hair is not looking nice, just turn it around and say that I'm so happy and grateful that my hair is so long, shiny, perfectly healthy condition. Every time a negative thought comes in, you have to transfer it into a positive. Oh, my shoulders are really beautiful. Some people, they say my shoulders are wide, they are so low. Every time the thought comes in, you are keeping it as affirmation. So change it. We're going to concentrate on our spine, on our kidneys. And now after that part, from down below your spine until your ankle, we are concentrating on back part of our body. I can feel the Reiki is going so beautifully today. Thank you all so much. And now we will quickly do the aura scan. All you got to do is just sleep or something, and I will be just clearing all the energy which doesn't serve your body. This is a Reiki for your overall health. So visualize a picture you would like to see yourself, your family, your partner, your relatives, the whole world. Visualize this in your hand. Maybe visualize this as a world and how you would want yourself. If you want to just concentrate on yourself, that is completely fine as well. Just visualize the perfect you, the perfect world, the perfect family, the perfect society, and give lots of love, absolutely lots of love to each and everyone. And do not forget to include yourself. The most important person in the whole world is you. We will be doing Ho'oponopono 3 times. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You would feel this Reiki benefit. The Reiki energy stays in your body for few hours. So make sure even after this healing energy, you keep on drinking the water. Make sure you drink lots of water whenever you are receiving Reiki healing from anywhere, either in person or through distance. Make sure you drink lots and lots of water because it removes all the negative energy or all the toxins from the body. I'm still sending the Reiki, but while you are receiving the Reiki, I wanted to just make sure to let you all know. Make sure you do the protective shield all the time. And also please know that tomorrow same time 10:30 I will be again coming live. I got one request of me coming live in Hindi, which was there before as well. So if that is something you would like to do, let me know in the comments as well once the Reiki is finished, not yet. Thank you all so much for beautifully receiving the Reiki healing energy. I would like to say this affirmation for everybody. I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfect health and harmony in my life. I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfect health and harmony in my life. I am so happy and grateful now that I am in perfect health and harmony in my life. Thank you all so much for receiving. Uh, Thank you all so much. Tomorrow I will be live again. I am not concluding the live, but if at all for any reason you would like to leave the live, you can leave some comments. How did you feel like? How was the experience? Thank you so much. Oh dear. Thank you so much. I can see I have gone like 59 minutes here. My intention was to finish in 1 hour, so I will be live here for a few more minutes. Please let me know your feedback if you liked something. Uh, if you, how did you feel? Please let me know, and then we would be completing the live session today. And I am coming live again tomorrow. Please share this live with as many people as you can, whoever is your loved one. Please share it with them. And any feedback you have, you can even type it here, or you can even leave the comment, because that would help me to improve from my side. Any suggestion, more than welcome. I'm just reading the comments, and then we would be. So Shriji 20, I hope you were able to do the live. It was in English, I understand. I will try to come in Hindi. If there is more request, I would definitely love to do it. Lakya Dali, hi ma'am, hello. Neeraj Arora, hello. Can you please give me your Instagram account? Okay, I have done that. Hey, it's Aubrey here. I am from India and I love this Reiki healing. I have tried from a course from a channel for 70 days, but it didn't work. I hope this works. I'm sure I will have full confidence. See, if you do this Reiki healing for 21 days, or even if you keep on doing it, I mean, see, it depends upon how much desperately you want something in your life, right? And I understand something didn't work for you in the past, but that was a past. So let's come with a fresh mind. So if something didn't work, we can always see, every day we are growing, every day our body is growing, every single day the whole universe, the whole world is moving. We don't realize, but we are in this motion, the world is moving. So if something didn't work, I really hope this works for you, and if it works, please let me know. All you can do is start from charging the water, start from believing. Every time you have a wrong thought about your body or anything, you have to cancel it and change into a positive one. Thank you so much, most welcome, dear. My water tastes so sweet. Thank you, Misty. I hope it helped you. Sorry for good things. Don't need to be sorry, Pamuji. I'm coming live tomorrow as well. So my intention is to come live 5 days a week. Uh, this time, powerful. Thank you, Dwayne. Wow, thank you. I have included the name you mentioned as well. So thank you so much. Misty says, love it. Thank you. It's working. It's work. It's so powerful. Thank you so much. It definitely is powerful. I'll tell you openly. I started in 2002, and there were times I was not doing Reiki, but somewhere down the line, Reiki always comes back to me. So I don't know what it is about Reiki. Uh, but it always comes back to me. It felt great, peaceful, and calm. Can you please share something about today's super moon and what can we do? Swati, I really wanted to come for live for moon today, but because I was concentrating more about the health part, I could not do it. I might sum it up in short. Thank you so much. Amazing experience. Shraddha Nagwadia. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks. Feels so nice. Thank you so much. I feel nothing, ma'am. It's completely fine, Lakhiyad Ali. You can keep doing the session. If it is for the first time, you wouldn't feel like, even when I learned Reiki for first maybe 10-15 days, I didn't feel anything while even I was practicing. But then slowly, it's like when you are in tune with something, you would feel it. And it is completely okay. It still works. So even if you felt nothing, it will still work. Wonderful session, Tejal. Thank you so much. I am so ever grateful to all of you for taking this beautiful Reiki healing energy from my side. Thank you. In this, Jayesh Ramani says, in this chaos in world, this definitely works. Thanks. Absolutely. In this, the way the news is coming and the way things are coming, I felt so low energy the other day. And make sure, please, you drink water after the Reiki session. See, it is up to us what we want to listen, what we want to hear. So when you put a guard on that, on your life, it definitely helps. Yes, it helped. Thank you, Misty, so much. Please Hindi session. Yes, I will come maybe one of the days out of 5 days, maybe one day, either Wednesday, or let me know which day works for you for Hindi. Shall I come on Friday, or I'm not sure, or maybe, yeah, I can come one day for Hindi. Let's see, and I would announce it on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do it. All those people who are regular of my Reiki session, we always used to do this card. I'm just going to take out one card for all of us. I'm really sorry for that, because I will not be doing card session for every single people. But what I'm going to do today is, because I might come one day only for the cards. Okay, so maybe that might be something somewhere in the next week. If that is something you would prefer, let me know. So these are the card which is called Angel Wishes by Debbie Mellon, and I will keep a link of the card if you would like to buy it. I will find it for you guys, and I will find it for you, and put a link of this product as well. I mean, of course, I'm not selling it as such, but it's really beautiful card. It's really something beautiful to keep it with you, and angels are always with us. I am going above my 1 hour mark, so next time I would try and not do that. I hope this session helped you, and thank you all so much for joining me live. As I said, please share it with others so that they too can be benefited. And you can play this video for 7 days, 21 days, 40 days is like amazing result. So I'm just taking out the card for all of us. And if it resonates with you, let me know. And then we will be, I will be ending the stream. Do you still teach this? You mean Reiki? Yes, I do teach Reiki as well. Yeah, I understand you were asking for Reiki. Yes, I am a Reiki master and a teacher, so I definitely teach as well. Okay, so okay. Beautiful card for all of us. You can take a screenshot and it says, listen to your own inner voice. Your knowledge is within you. Listen to your own inner voice, and all the knowledge you want, you seek, is within you. Thank you all so much. I might come live, as I said, especially for this one, but for this week, we are concentrating on charging of our water. Any other request you have for video, any kind of videos, you can let me know after the live session is finished in the comments. I don't want to take too much of your time as well, because I totally appreciate everybody's valuable time. So thank you all so much. Uh, I'm signing off from my side, and I'll see you tomorrow. You said, can I explain its meaning? Okay. So Misty has asked me to explain its meaning. It says, listen to your own inner voice. So there is one best practice to do is just sit with yourself for a few minutes, like any questions you have in your mind, what if you are struggling about anything in your life, sit with yourself without any thought, which is a bit hard, but still try and sit with yourself, and you will hear a voice inside you. We all have this inner voice. Either we criticize, or you comment yourself. So this inner voice is something which would concentrate on your own self, and the inner voice will give you the answer. So whatever the things you are stuck with, or whatever the knowledge you are seeking outside, all the knowledge in the world is within you, is within inside. खुद के अंदर ही है, जो भी हम बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं वो सारा हमारे अंदर खुद के पास है. So जो भी हमको चाहिए, all I need is within me now. There is a beautiful saying from Tony Robbins, which I love to say to myself. I have a magnet as well which says, all I need is within me now. Everything I seek outside is already inside me. The whole universe, the whole world is inside me. So all I need is within me now. Same way, listen to your inner voice. Your knowledge is within you. I hope that helped somebody. And I always keep this one with me as well. Okay, I'm signing off. You all know me, I love to talk. And if you are new on my channel and you are listening to me for the